So welcome students, in this video we are taking another example to convert a infix expression to a postfix expression. So this is the expression which is given to us. So q is to a plus b multiply by, this is parenthesis, this is small c. So I have written c in small to distinguish between parenthesis and c. So c plus d, then divided by f plus d multiplied by e. So this is the infix expression. We have to convert it to a postfix expression. So we have made the table characters scanned from Q, contents of stack, postfix expression. So the first step is we add this parenthesis to stack and this parenthesis to Q. So this is the first step. Now we will scan the characters from Q from left to right. So the first character will be A, then plus, then B, then star, then parenthesis, then small c, then plus. So when we scan A, then the contents of stack will be this and postfix expression will be this. Then we scan plus, so A. So B, so we will add it to the postfix expression, so AB. Now star. So now this plus addition is having lower precedence than multiply, so this will get added to stack as it is, so AB. Now this parenthesis, so again it will be added to the contents of stack and postfix expression as it is. Now C, so AB and C. So up till now it is very easy. Okay, now this is the plus sign, so again it will be added to the stack as it is. So A, B, C. So whenever we encounter an operand, then we add it to the postfix expression. When we encounter a operator, then we see if any operator has higher precedence than it. So till now there was no operator having higher precedence, so it was added to the contents of stack. Okay, so now I will clear the contents of the board. So I have cleared the contents of the board. So we were at plus, and this was the table. Now again we have to scan. So after plus there is D, then the parenthesis, then division sign, then F, then plus, then D, then star. Okay, so I have space till here only. So we will continue that after we finish this. So now this D, so this D will get added to the postfix expression. So A, B, C, D, and this is as it is. So as you can see in the contents of stack, we can have only the parenthesis or the operators. So plus D, plus or multiply and so on. Okay, and in postfix we cannot have operands like A, B, C in the contents of the stack. So remember this. Now we encounter this parenthesis, this close parenthesis. So now we will have to start popping the contents of stack till we encounter this. So when we start popping the contents of stack, so we come to the plus sign. Now we encounter this, so we will stop here and remove this. So we will remove this parenthesis. So now this is the contents of stack after we encounter this closed parenthesis. Okay, so now the next sign is division. So the multiplication operator has the same precedence as the division operator. So we will add the division operator here, but we will add the multiplication operator to the postfix expression, because multiplication is having same precedence as the division. So the contents of stack will now appear like this. So we will have the next is f. So we will add f to the postfix expression. Okay, so this is how we will proceed. Then we encounter the plus sign. Now this division has higher precedence than plus, so we will move the division to the postfix expression. Also this plus sign and this plus sign has the same precedence, so we will add one plus sign here. So the contents of stack will be this. See, this plus sign is moved here and this plus sign is moved here because the plus sign have the same precedence. So we will move the operator which has the higher precedence or the equal precedence to the postfix expression. Now the next we encounter D, so we will add D here. See, this is a small c. Okay, now we encounter this multiplication sign. So this plus sign has the same precedence, has the lower precedence than the multiplication. Addition has lower precedence than multiplication. So the multiplication sign will come as it is, and this will come as it is here. So A B. So this is the our table till now. So I will remove the contents and come back to you. So this was the table. So now we encounter, next we encounter E and the closed parenthesis. So when we encounter E, then we will simply add E to the postfix expression. So sorry, this E will come here. Okay, so this E is now come to the postfix expression, and this is here. Now when we encounter this closed parenthesis, then we will pop from stack until we come to this parenthesis. So when we pop from stack, then first we encounter the multiplication sign, so the multiplication sign will come first, then we encounter the plus sign, so the plus sign will come later, and finally we have this parenthesis, so we have to delete this parenthesis. So whenever we encounter this parenthesis, then this one of this parenthesis will get deleted. So when this all get deleted, then the stack will be empty. Now the stack is empty, so we have got our postfix expression. So the postfix expression is this. The postfix expression is A B C D plus multiply F divide by plus D E multiply and addition. So this is the postfix expression for this infix expression. This is the postfix expression for this infix expression. So I hope you got this. It was a little bit tricky, but we have solved it by following all the steps of the algorithm. So I hope you got this video and you understood the question and the solution. So if you have any doubt or if you have any comment, then you can post your comment in the chat in the comment box. Also you can post your feedback, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and best of luck.